Hello, this is Dr. M. Shamla Gauri, Associate Professor, Triple Department, Erode Sengundar Engineering College. In this video, we are going to discuss something about power plant engineering, NPTEL questions and answers. First question, what is the maximum content of moisture allowed at the turbine exhaust in the steam power plant? The maximum allowed moisture content is only 15%. So what is the function of pressure gauge in the boiler? The pressure gauge is used to indicate the steam pressure. What type of valve is a feed check valve of a boiler? It is one-way valve. One-way valve type of valve is a feed check valve of a boiler. What is the role of breaker house in coal feeding? The role of breaker house is to separate light dust from the coal. Which of the following is not a requirement for site selection of hydroelectric power plant? So, for during site selection of hydroelectric power plant, we should know the availability of water, large catchment area, rocky land. These kind of details we should have for site selection. But sedimentation is not a problem, is not a requirement in the case of hydroelectric power plant. Actually, hydroelectric power plant is a conventional source of energy. A Pelton wheel working under a constant head and discharge has maximum efficiency when speed ratio is 0.46. What are wind energy conversion system designed for? This is designed for converting mechanical energy into, wind energy into mechanical energy. Further mechanical energy is given to the generator. There, the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Basically, wind energy conversion system is designed for converting wind energy to mechanical energy. If the heat rejected from the system Q2 is 0, then what will happen? Actually, the answer is all the three mentioned. That is, network is equal to Q1 and the efficiency is 1, and the heat is exchanged only with one reservoir and it violates the Kelvin Planck statement. All the three are correct. In steam and other vapor cycle, the process of removing non-condensable is called deaeration process. This process is called, that is the process of removing non-condensable from steam or other vapor cycle is called deaeration process. Which of the following statement is correct? Here, four statements are given. In that four statement, actually correct statement is efficiency of Carnot cycle is high and work ratio is low in comparison with Rankine cycle. So the boiler rating is usually defined in terms of the boiler rating. It is mainly mentioned in steam output in kg per hour. So we have two, assertion and reason. One is fire tube boiler do not operate at high pressures while water tube boilers operate at high pressures. Reason, due to high temperature of flue gas, fire tubes may fail due to creep. The answer is both A and R are individually true, but R is the correct explanation of A. That is, due to high temperature of flue gases, the fire tubes may fail due to creep. That's why fire tube boilers do not operate at high pressures. This is the reason. Which one of the following is a fire tube boiler? We have four boilers are given. One is a Stirling boiler, Cornish boiler, Babcock, Wilcox boiler, Benson boiler. In all the four, the fire tube boiler is a Cornish boiler. Which among the following boiler is mounting? So, blow-off cock is the correct answer. So, the number of fire tubes in Landscape boiler is 2. There is no steam drum in. We have 4 boilers. In that, One boiler doesn't have any steam drum, that is Benson boiler. So when inspection doors on the walls of the boilers are open, flame doesn't leap out because the pressure inside it is negative. The reason is pressure inside is negative. So the next question is the distinguishing feature of Velux boiler is that this uses supersonic. The different this advanced feature of an Velux boiler is that it uses supersonic. Which of the following is an inclined straight tube water tube boiler? We have four boilers are given. In that inclined straight tube water tube boiler is Babcock and Wilcox boiler. What is the function of fusible plug in a boiler? The fusible plug is to protect fire tube from damage due to overheating. Which of the following is a low pressure boiler? In that four, locomotive boiler is a low pressure boiler. Which of the following is forced circulation boiler? In the four answers, Benson boiler is a forced circulation boiler. Which of the following is not a boiler accessory? So, feed pump is a boiler accessory. Steam trap is a boiler accessory. Steam separator is also a boiler accessory. Here the mud hole is given. Mud hole is not an boiler accessory. An induced draft fan is normally located at the induced draft fan is located at outlet of steam generator after dust collector. This is for reducing the outlet of the steam generator. Reduce the temperature of the outlet of the steam generator. This induced draft fan is located after outlet of the steam generator after dust collector. Which of the following combustion system requires maximum excess air? Chain Great Stoker. This requires maximum excess air. So we have assertion and reason. The calorific value of fuel depends on excess air due to combustion. Reason, the purpose of supplying excess air is to ensure complete combustion. Here the answer A is false and but reason is true. Which of the following fuel is used to determine the water equivalent of bomb calorimeter? Benzoic acid. This fuel is used to determine the water equivalent of bomb calorimeter. Fans used in for mechanical draft cooling towers are propeller type. Normally, propeller type fans are used for induced cooling towers. The excess air required for combustion of pulverized coal is the order of 5 to 10%. In the Orsted flue gas analyzer, ammonical corpus chloride is used to observe carbon monoxide. The mass of air required for complete combustion of unit mass of fuel can always be calculated from the formula where CHONS are in percentage. The formula is 0.1152. The mass of air required for complete combustion of unit mass of fuel can always be calculated from the formula where C, H, O and S are in percentage. The formula is 0.1152C plus 0.3456 into H minus 0.1250 plus 0.0432S. Next question, the calorific value determined by bomb calorimeter is higher calorific value at constant volume. So with the help of a bomb calorimeter, we can able to determine the high calorific value at constant volume. Which system consumes less power out of all ash handling system? The mechanical ash handling system consumes very less power out of all ash handling system, because pneumatic, hydraulic, steam jet ash handling systems requires more power. So the ash handling system is mainly divided into mechanical, pneumatic, hydraulic, all of these systems. Which method is used in large modern thermal power plants to heat feed water? Steam is directly taken from main turbine and used to heat it feed water. This method is used in large modern thermal power plants to heat feed water. The Rato turbine belongs to the category of pressure compounded turbine. In an axial flow impulse turbine, energy transfer takes place due to, in axial flow impulse turbine, the energy transfer takes place due to change in absolute kinetic energy. Consider the following statements in respect of impulse steam turbine. First one is blade passages are at constant cross-sectional area. Next, partial admission of steam is possible. Third, axial thrust is only due to change in flow velocity of steam at inlet and outlet moving blade. Which of the statements are given are correct? 1, 2 and 3. All the three are correct. Blade passages are of constant cross-sectional area. Partial admission of steam is possible. Third one is axial thrust is only due to change in flow velocity of steam at inlet and outlet moving blade. Next, we have assertion and reason. The impulse staging is commonly employed in high pressure part and reaction staging is intermediate low pressure part of steam turbine. The reason is the tip leakage across moving blades is less in impulse staging as pressure drop is small and there can be large pressure drop across fixed blades and nozzles. These both A and R are individually true and R reason is the correct explanation for A. The leakage across moving blade is less in impulse staging as a pressure drop is small and there can be large pressure drop across the fixed blades and nozzle. It is a correct explanation for assertion. Which of the following statements are correct? We have three statements. First one is an impulse turbine rotor blades are thick at the center. Second one is Rato turbine is more efficient than Curtis turbine. Third one is a blade velocity coefficient for an impulse turbine is of about 60%. In that three statements, first two is right. Impulse turbine rotors are thick at the center. It is correct. And Rato turbines are more efficient than the Curtis turbine. These two are correct statements. For a reaction turbine with the degree of reaction equal to 50%. Here V is the absolute steam velocity at inlet and A is an angle made by it to the tangent to the wheel. The efficiency is maximum when blade speed is equal to V cos alpha. This is derived that the efficiency is only when maximum, only when the blade speed is V cos alpha. Here the V is absolute steam velocity. Alpha is an angle made by it to the tangent of the wheel. Among other things, the poor part load performance of D-level turbines is due to formation of expansion waves at nozzle exist. Which of the following statement is right? Reheat factor 0 if efficiency of the turbine goes to infinity. Lower the efficiency, higher will be reheater factor, and reheat factors independent of steam condition at turbine inlet. Availability of reheat is higher at low pressure end. In that, correct is lower the efficiency, higher will be the reheat factor. This is the correct answer. A gas turbine cycle with the heat exchanger and reheating improves both a thermal efficiency as well as specific power output. A jet of water is striking at the center of the curved van, moving with the uniform velocity in the direction of the jet. For a maximum efficiency, the van velocity is dash of the jet velocity, 1/2. For maximum efficiency, the van velocity is 1/2 of the jet velocity. The overall efficiency of a belt on wheel lies between, normally the overall efficiency lies between 0.85 to 0.90. The maximum hydraulic efficiency of an impulse turbine is 1 plus cos theta by 2. The number of buckets on the periphery of the Pelton wheel is given by D by 2D plus 15. This is an answer. The Francis runner, the number of blades are generally between 16 to 24. The Kaplan runner, the number of blades are generally between 4 to 8. The flow rate in case of Francis turbine varies from 0.15 to 0.3. The maximum number of jets generally employed in an impulse turbine without jet interferences, 6. Then nuclear energy is measured in MeV. The nuclear unit become critical means chain reaction that causes automatic splitting of fuel nuclear has been established. The enriched uranium is one in which the percentage of U-235 has been artificially increased. U-235 will undergo fission by either fast or slow neutrons. U-238 will undergo fusion by high energy, that is fast neutron alone. But in the case of U-235 will undergo fission by conversion efficiency. Maximum efficiency is obtained in parabolic disc collector compared to flat plate, evacuated and line focusing collectors. The process of producing energy by utilizing heat trapped inside the Earth's surface is called geothermal energy. The function of solar collector is to convert solar energy into thermal energy. In the PV cells, that energy is converted into electrical energy. The angle made between horizontal line due to south and the projection of the normal to the surface on horizontal plane is surface azimuth angle. What is the overall efficiency of a nuclear power plant? It is 30 to 40 only. The efficiency of a solar is about only 15%. Even though the 100% solar energy incident on the solar PV panels, the efficiency of a solar cell is only about 15%. The main interest of shielding in nuclear reactor is protection against and gamma rays. The total energy released in fission of uranium is 199 MeV. The risk of radioactive hazard is greatest in the turbine with following reactor. It is in the boiling water reactors. The risk of radioactive hazard is greatest. The function of control rods in nuclear plants is to control absorption of neurons. Fast breeder reactor uses double circuit system of Coulomb cycle. Breeder reactor employ liquid metal coolant because it transfers heat from core at fast rate. A reactor capable of converting a ferrite material into fissile isotopes is called regenerative reactor. What are horizontal wind turbines? The wind turbines rotate about an axis parallel to the plane of wind streams. The wind turbine designed to come into operation at minimum wind speed is called cut-in velocity. The below diagram is TS diagram of Rankine cycle with reheat. Which process represents reheat? We have process 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 1 to 2 dash, and everything we 2 dash to 2 double dash we have it. Here the reheat only happens at process 2 dash to 2 double dash. This is a process represents reheat. In an ideal impulse turbine, the relative velocity at the input of the moving blade is equal to that at the outlet. The assertion and reason is given. The assertion, Pearson turbine has a degree of reaction equal to 50%, and the reason, it is a reaction turbine with a symmetrical, fixed and moving blades. Here the answer is both assertion and reaction are individually true, and reason is the correct explanation of an assertion. That is, the Pearson turbine has a degree of reaction equal to 50%. It is a reaction turbine with a symmetrical, fixed and moving blades. In Pearson reaction turbine, the velocity diagram triangles at the inlet and outlet are which of the following? It is congruent. The correct sequence of a given steam turbines is in the ascending order of efficiency at a design point is we have four and with the different orders. The correct ascending order of efficiency is D level, Curtis, Ratu, Pearson. The degree of reaction of Pearson reaction is half, 50%. Which of the following is single stage impulse turbine? D level turbine is a single stage impulse turbine. For maximum blade efficiency, utilization factor, what is the work done in single stage 50% reaction turbine? It is U square. We have assertion and reason. The thermal efficiency of a gas turbine is low compared to that of reciprocating IC engines. The reason, in a gas turbine plant, the maximum pressure and temperature are low when compared to those reciprocating engines. Here the answer is both A and R are individually true, and the reason is a correct explanation of A. That is, gas turbine plant, the maximum pressure and temperatures are low compared to those reciprocating IC engines is a correct explanation. So, which of the following informations are correct for classification of hydro project based installed capacity? We have 4: pico, micro, mini, small. In that, the power ranges are given. Pico means very few 100 watts up to 5 kilowatts. For micro, 5 to 100 kilowatts. mini 100 to 2 megawatts, small 2 to 25 megawatts. It is correctly matched. The 1, 2, 3, 4 all are correct. If Hg is a cross or total head and Hf is a heat loss due to friction, then net and effective head is given by, we have 4 options. Net and effective head is in difference between gross or total head to the heat loss due to friction. So H is equal to Hg minus Hf is the correct answer. So again, we have a match list. So we have to identify the correct one. High head, Pelton wheels are having high head. Axial flow, Kaplan turbine is an axial flow. Mixed flow, Francis turbine is a mixed flow. And high specific speed, it is Kaplan turbine. So the answer is 2313 is the correct answer. Gas-cooled reactor uses following materials as a moderator and coolant. Actually, gas-cooled reactor uses graphite as a moderator and CO2 as a coolant. What is the maximum possible output of solar array? 250 watts per meter squared is the maximum possible output of a solar array. Given VB blade speed, V absolute velocity of a steam entering the blade, alpha nozzle angle, the efficiency of an impulse turbine is maximum when VB equal to 0.5 V cos alpha. Here the power from sun intercepted by the earth is approximately, the 4 options are given. 1.8 into 10 power 11 megawatts is a correct answer. This is an power from the sun intercepted by earth. The thermal electric power plant produces 1000 megawatts of power. If coal releases 900 into 10 power 7 kilojoules per hour of efficiency energy, then what is the rate at which heat is rejected from the power plant? Here the concept is given, the energy released by coal is equal to 900 into 10 power 7 kilojoules per hour. So if you are converting this into joules per second, it will get 2500 megawatts. So work output is given, it is 1000. When we are subtracting these two, we'll get heat rejected. 2500 minus 1000 is equal to 1500 megawatts. So next question is, the equivalent evaporation kg per hour of a boiler producing 2000 kg per hour of steam with the enthalpy content of 2426 kg by kg from feed water at temperature 40 degrees Celsius. Light enthalpy is equal to 168 kilojoules per kilogram. Enthalpy of evaporation of water at 100 degrees Celsius is 2258 kilojoules per kg is. The answer is, we have a formula, equivalent evaporation of boiler MS is equal into H minus HF divided by enthalpy of vaporization of water at 100 degree. So when you are substituting the values, you will get 2000 kg per hour. This is an answer. Next question, a boiler produces 2000 kg of dry and saturated steam per hour at 10 bar, and feed water is heated by an economizer to a temperature of 110 degrees Celsius. 225 kg of coal of calorific value of 30,100 kg per kg is fired per hour. If 10% of coal remaining unburned, find given for 10 bar, H is equal to Hg equal to 2776.2 kJ per kg, and specific heat water Cp is equal to 4.18 kJ per kg into Kelvin. Calculate the mass of steam produced per kg of coal and the thermal efficiency of boiler respectively. So this is calculated with this formula. The solution is E contained in 1 kg of steam boiler is equal to 1 into 4.18 into 110 minus 0 will get 459.8 kilojoules. Total heat given to produce 1 kg of steam in boiler is equal to H minus HF. It is in problem, it is given 2776.2, and from calculation we have calculated 459.8. So the remaining is 2316.4 kilojoules per kilogram. The mass of coal actually burnt is 225. It is given in the problem, it is 225 into 90 by 100. Because it is given 90%, so that 90 into 100. So 90 into 100 we will get 202.5 kg. The mass of steam produced per kg of coal, 2000 by 202.5 will get 9.87, and thermal efficiency by this formula it is 75.9. So that the answer is 9.87 kg and 75.9%. Next question, dry and saturated steam at pressure 11 bar is supplied to a turbine and expanded isometrically to pressure 0.07 bar. Calculate the following steam table. At pressure P1 is equal to 11 bar, Kg1, Hg1 equal to 2779.7 kilojoule per kg, and Sg1 is equal to 6.550 kilojoules per kg into Kelvin. At pressure P2, it is equal to 0.07 bar, HF3 equal to 163 kilojoules per kg, HFG equal to 2409.2 kilojoules per kilogram, and SF3 equal to 0.559 kilojoules per kg into Kelvin. The heat rejected and heat supplied respectively, we have to calculate this. So the explanation is given. The formula heat rejected is H2 minus HF3. So we have to calculate H2. Here S2 equal to Sg1. This is 6.554. From that we can calculate X2 with this formula. X2 equal to 0.776. With the substituting this value, we can calculate H2, and the heat rejected H2 minus HF3. This is 1869.9, and QA value we can calculate with this. Work done during cycle is equal to heat supplied minus heat rejected. So that heat supplied is work done plus heat rejected. So the net work done during the cycle is WT minus WP. WT is turbine work and WP is pumping work. So by calculating turbine work and pump work, we can calculate W, and by adding W plus heat rejected, we will get work done as heat supplied. Next, theoretical thermal efficiency is from that work done 745.7 divided by heat supplied, it is 2615. With that we can calculate the efficiency is 28.5%. Next, for a single stage impulse turbine with a rotor diameter of 2 meter and speed of 3000 rpm, when nozzle angle is 20 degree, the optimum velocity, we can calculate the optimum velocity with this formula, U by V1 equal to cos alpha by 2. Here V1 is equal to 2 into U divided by cos alpha. So by substituting the values, we will get 668.6. Rounding, we can use it 668. The steam turbine receives steam steadily at 10 bar with an enthalpy of 3000 kilojoules per kilogram and discharges at 1 bar with enthalpy of 2700 kJ by kg. Their work output is 250. The changes in kinetic and potential energies are negligible. The heat transfer from turbine casing to the surrounding is equal to. So here it is given 250 and 3000. So by this minus 300 plus 250, we will get 50. The steam enters a deep level steam turbine with the inlet velocity of 30 meters per second and leaves with the outer velocity of 10 meters per second. The work done by 1 kg of steam is, from this formula, 1 by 2 m V1 square minus V2 square. Here V1 is 30 and V2 is 10. By substituting its value, we'll get 400 Newton meter. If the enthalpy drop in moving blade and fixed blades are 10 kilojoules per kg and 15 kilojoules per kg respectively, then what is the degree of reaction? So the degree of reaction R is equal to 10 divided by 10 plus 15. This is 0.4, that is 40%. A single stage impulse turbine with the diameter of 120 centimeter runs at 3000 rpm. If the blade speed ratio is 0.42, then the inlet velocity of a steam will be U equal to pi dn by 60. Here d is an diameter, it is 120 into 10 power minus 2 for converting centimeter into meter, and speed is 3000. U equal to 188.49. Here blade speed ratio, it is given, it is 0.42. So the inlet velocity equal to 188.49 divided by 0.42, 448.78. Around it is 450 meter per second. If the axial, in an impulse turbine designed for free vortex flow, tangential velocity of steam at the root radius of 250 meters is 430 meter per second and the blade height is 100 millimeter. Then tangential velocity of steam at the tip will be V1 R1 equal to V2 R2. By substituting V1 R1 and V2 will get V2. So this is 307 meter per second. The optimum pressure ratio for maximum specific output for ideal gas turbine plant operating at initial temperature of 300 K and the maximum temperature of 1000 K closer to. So this is maximum possible pressure ratio RP equal to T2 by T1 power R by R minus 1. So 1000 by 300 power 3.5, we will get 67.62. By taking a root, we will get 8. Thank you.